On April 30th, 2014, astronauts aboard the International Space Station finished installing high-definition cameras pointing down at planet Earth. The project's known as a High-Definition Earth Viewing Experiment, and shortly after becoming operational, NASA began streaming in real time these pictures down to Earth through the internet for anyone to see. These are some of the most amazing videos that I've ever seen of the planet, and it's kind of crazy to think that everything we care about for the entire human race depends on this relatively small blue planet. The Earth is our home, and all the things we care about, like our families, our culture, our history, our technology, our knowledge, they're all intimately related to the history of this planet. But how exactly do we study the Earth? The branch of science dedicated to understanding the planet is called geology, and it's the study of the Earth's physical structure, its history, and the processes that act on it. Geologists are scientists that are trying to learn about the history of the Earth through studying the rocks that make it up, and understand the changes that the planet is undergoing. Since the surface of the Earth is constantly changing through time, learning about how rocks change can allow scientists to better understand our home. So let's start with the basics. Every rock on the planet will fall into one of three categories, that is sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. And it's these three rock types that make up something called the rock cycle. That's just a process by which new rocks are formed and old rocks are broken down on Earth. But for this video, I'm only going to focus on igneous rocks because we can actually watch their formation in real time, and understanding their formation will give us a good foundation in geology. The word igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, meaning fire. That's because igneous rocks begin their lives as molten rock, or lava, below the surface, and given enough time, that lava can be brought to the surface of the Earth by way of volcanoes like these ones. Now, keep in mind that isn't the only way igneous rocks can form, but it is the easiest for us to see and conceptualize. There are over 1,500 active volcanoes on the Earth today, and many more ancient inactive volcanoes. Igneous rocks are constantly being